Right, so Fonepay gave us these bags and we're going to see what is inside it today. So just to give you guys a little context, यो bag चाहिँ हामीले student ambassador को event मा पाएको थियौं. So this is basically an event जुन Fonepay ले गर्दैछ last year देखि. We'll talk about this later on. Let's focus on the bag. So first thing first, they gave us this beautiful ID card. This looks so premium, है. Fonepay को राम्रो branding पनि छ. We'll talk about this पछि because this is important as well. अनि अर्को इम्पोर्टेन्ट कुरा जुनसुकै इभेन्टमा पाउने पनि है, they gave us this beautiful notebook. यसमा पनि Fonepay को ब्रान्डिङ छ, really good strategy. They've also discussed about their products यहाँ भित्र चाहिँ है. They talk about their culture and more. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. अनि अर्को सबैभन्दा इम्पोर्टेन्ट कुरा, I think a lot of you would also love it. यो चाहिँ Fonepay को टी-शर्ट छ. Look at this, कस्तो राम्रो टी-शर्ट छ के. उनीहरुको ब्रान्डिङ पनि obviously they will do it, and then it says Fonepay Student Ambassador 2025 and we are also the student ambassadors है. एकदमै खुसी लाग्यो टी-शर्ट्स पाएर पनि. अनि अर्को इम्पोर्टेन्ट कुरा, because Fonepay they are smart, they gave us this banner है. हामीले कलेजमा इभेन्ट गर्दाखेरि because we're in college, so एउटा ब्यानर पनि हामीलाई दिएको छ. I think you guys can see this properly now. And अब मलाई मनपर्ने कुराहरु अझै आउँदैछ. I'll show you the best one in the end है. अनि अर्को चाहिँ Fonepay ले हामीलाई कीरिङ्सहरु दिएको छ के. मैले एउटा चाहिँ युज गरिसकेको छु. They gave us this beautiful keyrings. एकदमै युटिलिटी पनि छ यसको, धेरै राम्रो युटिलिटी पनि छ, especially for people like me जसले चाहिँ चाबी हराइ गर्छ and then चाबी फोड्नु पर्छ है. So these are the things they give us a bunch of this. They actually gave us a bunch of this. So there are a lot of this. I can share this with you guys as well. अनि सबैभन्दा इम्पोर्टेन्ट कुरा, यो ब्याग त छँदैछ हैन. यो ब्याग बाहेक चाहिँ मलाई सबैभन्दा मन परेको कुरा चाहिँ दिस लिटल क्यूट नोटबुक्स के. कस्तो राम्रो हेर्नु, कस्तो एस्थेटिक छ हैन. It feels like I don't want to write in this के हैन, although this is for that purpose. कस्तो क्यूट बनाएको रहेछ यो पनि हैन. It's so beautiful, एकदमै एस्थेटिक. अनि Fonepay Direct आजको हाम्रो फर्स्ट च्यालेन्ज छ Fonepay Direct भन्ने. त्यो छ उहाँहरुको बारेमा Fonepay QR उहाँहरुको प्रोडक्ट्सहरुको बारेमा एक्सप्लेन गरेको छ हैन. And then this is something, the purpose, something that drives Fonepay bhanam na. So they're trying to revolutionize the digital revolution. I mean, they're trying to lead the digital revolution, right? So yeah, so this is a beautiful notebook. एउटा मात्र दिएको छैन हैन. It's not just 2 as well, not just 3 है. They gave us a bunch of it के एकदमै. And then I just love it. I'm going to share this with my friends हैन. There are lots of it. म यता तल राख्दिन्छु. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. So they sent us this bunch of this little beautiful aesthetic notebooks as well. So I'm going to share this with my friends too. Ani coming back to Fonepay ले चाहिँ, as I said, they're trying to lead a digital revolution in the nation. So as a part of it, we have also participated in it. So we'll be looking for your support. मैले अघि सुरुमा भनेको थिएँ. We're talking about these notebooks as well. Fonepay Direct भन्ने च्यालेन्ज सुरु भइसकेको छ. यसमा चाहिँ FSA25 हाम्रो एउटा कोड छ. So basically यो कसरी वर्क गर्छ भने, तपाईहरुको पर्सनल इंटर बैंक ट्रान्ज्याक्सन गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ एउटा रिमार्क सेक्सन आउँछ. त्यहाँनेर एउटा प्रोमो कोड हजुरले युज गर्नु होला. That is FSA25 IMPERIAL. हामी कमेन्ट सेक्सनमा पनि राख्दिन्छौँ यसलाई चाहिँ. So do copy that अनि हामीलाई सपोर्ट गर्नु होला. And thank you Fonepay for this beautiful bags and everything you included in that. Yeah.